Homeschool Mom channel. If you're new here, we hope you'll consider subscribing for more homeschool videos in the future. Today we're going to be unboxing a KiwiCo Koala Crate. Now I just want to start by saying that this is not a sponsored post in any way. I decided to purchase this crate on my own accord. I just thought it would be something fun, something new for the kids and I to do together. And I just wanted to unbox it with you today in case you were interested in trying KiwiCo as well. Now, if you guys aren't familiar with KiwiCo, it's basically a monthly subscription box for art projects and science experiments. And we have the Koala Crate here today. So this one is designed for ages 2 to 4, but they have a wide range of crates for different ages. And I'll be sure to link their website below in the description box in case you guys are interested in seeing the different crates they have for your kids' ages. Now, this month we have a craft crate and our theme is rainbows. So they have different themes each month as well. And then there's also a book. You guys can upgrade to get a book included with your crate. We decided not to do that this month, but I just wanted to let you know that that is an option. But yeah, I'm really excited to unbox this with you guys today. And hopefully at the end of the video, we will be able to show you some of the completed crafts from this crate as well. Alright, so let's get going, guys, and see what's inside. Alright, so when you open it up, this is what it will look like. And it looks like on top there is a little pamphlet for the grown-up assistant. It says instructions and inspiration. So it looks like inside they have all the different activities. So the stained glass art, the rainbow tote bag, and the cloud pillow. So it says what's included. It says what you'll also need, and it looks like they're pretty basic, so you should have them, like scissors and tape, a baking sheet, some water. For the cloud pillow, you don't need anything else. And then it lists the instructions. And then it just has everything that's in the crate. And it looks like it gives you the messiness level as well as the grown-up involvement. Alright, and then on the back it has a website you can visit. Looks like for more activity ideas. Alright, and then next it looks like there's a little, like a magazine for the kids. All about rainbows. A little story. Looks like how rainbows are made in the sky. Seek and find. Another craft idea for making your own crayons. Yeah, that's pretty fun. I think my kids will enjoy that. Alright, and then next it looks like they just have the materials you'll need. So it even gives you the little rainbow squares that you'll need in there. So I think that's for the stained glass as well as the tote. I believe this is for the tote, the little clouds and the water dropper. And then we have the tote. This is a good size for little kids, you guys. It's pretty small, but this is perfect for 2 to 4 year olds. Alright. Now it looks like the stuff for the cloud pillow. So I'd get little rainbow felt pieces that can stick on the outside of the pillow. And then you have the stuffing. Right, and then below that, I think this is the cutouts for the stained glass art. And then you have the window for it. And then it looks like the sticky part for the stained glass art. So that's what's all in the box. I'm going to insert some pictures of us doing the crafts right after this, guys. Alright, you guys, so all in all, I think this was a great experience. I just wanted to leave you with a few parting words. So I ended up letting my preschooler do the cloud pillow, and then my toddler and preschooler got to work on the tote bag and then the stained art glass together. And then my toddler ended up keeping the bag because my preschooler got to keep the pillow. But yeah, so I was a little afraid that this was going to be some crafts that we could have done on our own. But for this crate anyways, these are definitely crafts that I wouldn't have done without KiwiCo and never have picked up the supplies that they gave us. So yeah, I think it was a good experience, and I think we'll be trying out more in the future. Comment below and let me know if you guys have tried out any of the KiwiCo crates. I'd love to hear your experiences. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.